Good morning, it's Monday the 14th of February and this is your daily outlook. The euro is under pressure on continuing eurozone debt issues. The euro edged higher versus the dollar at the start of the new week, supported by a rise in risk appetite. Tensions in Egypt appear to have eased as Egypt's President Mubarak has stepped down, while Japan's economy in the fourth quarter was better than the market anticipated. Demand for riskier assets is high and the euro managed to rise to 135.55 versus the dollar, recovering from a three-week low at 134.96. But the euro's rebound appears shaky, while the continuing debt issues in the eurozone put the single currency under pressure. Investors now focused on Spain and Italy's bond auctions after last week ECB intervened in the bond market, buying Portugal's debt to reverse the yields from record high levels. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar broke above the 83 level and hit a 5-month high at 83.66, supported by positive economic data in the US as well as higher US yields. Today, the dollar surrendered some of its gains as speculators talk of Japanese firms buying the yen. The pair fell to 83.08 and it was last trading at 83.11. The Australian dollar edged higher today after data showed that China's import hit record high in January despite the massive floods in Australia. Heightened risk sentiment in the market combined with positive housing data helped the Aussie jump as high as 100.63 versus the dollar from 0.9980. Eyes turn to China's consumer price index for January, which is due tomorrow. Speculators are expecting inflation in China to reveal a lower than expected figure, which can push the Aussie further up. Aussie's neighbour, the New Zealand Kiwi, plummeted today on surprisingly poor retail sales data. The lower than expected retail sales data added strength on the view that interest rates in New Zealand will stay on hold for an extended period of time. The Kiwi fell as low as 0.7552 against the dollar from 0.7610, traded before the data was released. Later, the pair recovered some of its losses and was last trading at 0.7587. Gold ticked higher, supported by a softer dollar and speculation that China's inflation will be lower than expected. Gold prices rose to $1,360.58 an ounce from $1,353.88. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 135.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 135.80. The dollar yen pivot point is at 83.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 83.45. Today's calendar of market movers: Europe industrial production in December is forecast to fall to 0.2% month on month. Europe industrial production in December is forecast to gain 8% year on year. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive on Friday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.55% and the Dow was up 0.36%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE trading up 0.71%, the DAX was up 0.42% and the CAC was up 0.15%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.13% and the Hang Seng was up 1.07%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.